Prisoners of the Sun is a Tintin video game based on the Seven Crystal Balls and Prisoners of the Sun comic book by Belgian artist Hurge. Released in 1997 in Europe on the SNES, Prisoners of the Sun is a platforming game where you control Tintin around obstacles and through many challenges in attempts to complete the various levels and eventually the game. The graphics are very faithful to their source material and look great, while all the time sporting good deal of variation. The game will see Tintin in locations such as mansions, harbours, jungles and underground burial chambers and more, with Tintin himself detailed and animated quite well, often surprisingly so. Some parts are even a sort of 3D, but do seem a bit primitive by today's standards. Another massive plus for the game is that it has a catchy soundtrack, but oddly only has standard sound effects. Gunshots and even falling rocks do sound like they should, but there is no real flair or lasting wonder that will be instilled upon hearing them again. It is simply a 16-bit game, I guess, but Tintin's own sounds sound a little bit too deep for his character. It follows the two books it covers quite faithfully, with you even having to explore ships and reassemble newspaper clippings, both of which appear in the books. It is a nice touch, but the controls and even some of the scenes can seem like they've been handled somewhat clumsily. This is a game and not a book, remember. Don't forget to look out for the yo-yoing child and the small dog, they'll drive you nuts. So Tintin can run, jump, swim, evade punches, climb rocks and walk, but it's all too similar to its predecessor Tintin in Tibet. The controls are often sluggish and the faithfulness to the books can be its downfall. But I guess it is an improvement over the first game. It is unforgiving though, and it can be damn hard. If you're easily frustrated or annoyed, this may not be the game for you, but if you are a Tintin fan and like the story and graphics from the original comics, you're in for a treat. A slow, hard treat. The type where you regularly have to take deep breaths and count to 10 just to get you through it.